Tell me about yourself. Absolutely. I have a background in state your relevant field or experience. I am passionate about state something related to the job you are applying for, and I am working on honing my skills in state relevant skills or experience. I am excited about the opportunity to apply. My experience with company name. What interests you about this position? I'm particularly attracted to this position because it aligns well with my skills and interests. I've been following company name for a while, and I admire name something specific about the company, such as its innovative projects or commitment to sustainability. I think this is the role will allow me to contribute effectively while also providing opportunities for growth. What do you consider your greatest strength? One of my greatest strengths is my ability to mention a job-related skill, such as problem solving or leadership. I have consistently been able to provide an example of how you used this strength in a previous role or project, and I believe it will be valuable in this position also. Can you describe a challenge you overcame at a previous job? Absolutely. In my previous role at company name, we describe a challenge, such as tight deadlines or budget constraints. To overcome this, explain actions you took to address the challenge, such as implementing a new workflow or collaborating with teams different. In the end, we were able to describe a successful outcome.